Hello everyone, welcome to our 7th video of Excel series, and today's topic is undo, redo and save as a feature of Excel worksheet. So let's start with an example. So whenever you are working on an Excel sheet and putting some data entry in our workbook, you may tend to make some mistakes while working while doing that. But yeah, uh, in such cases, you may want to reverse that mistakes and mistaken steps and come to the previous steps in many of the cases. And to do that, you may use undo button in our Excel sheet. So that is the most common button feature used by anyone who is using Excel. So giving an example, suppose you want to change the format of your cells from B2 to F2, and while doing that you mistakenly click delete button. So in this case you do not have to write each and everything again, you just have to use undo feature, mm, that is the left side arrow in your quick access toolbar, and you will get each and everything just like this. So in this case, as you can see, we did not have to use, we didn't have to write each and everything again. We just use this feature and we get everything back. So now coming to the redo button. So redo but feature is to undo the uh, step we have reversed using our undo feature. What I mean is, just in this example, I have uh, reverse the impact of my deleting these cells by using undo feature. But if I redo it, if I use the redo feature, because I just remember that I really want to delete this data, but mistakenly use the undo button on that. So I don't want it actually. So I may want to go to the previous step before using the undo button. Then I will use a redo. So this is how we use undo and redo button in our Excel. So now I may want to get everything back. Yeah, like this only. And if you do not get these arrows on your quick access toolbar, you can just from go here and select the undo and redo. Select if you get selected, and you will get those features in your quick access toolbar. And now coming to it, there are shortcuts that will be quite useful for you. For undo, it is pressing Control and then Z. And for redo, it is Control plus R. Sorry, not R. Actually, it's Y. Control plus Y. So these are the shortcuts for using undo and redo in Excel sheet. And now coming to the saving feature for Excel. So guys, if you are working on a already saved workbook, in that case you just have to use Control plus S. In this case, I'm not able to use this because it is not already saved Excel workbook. So in that case, or while you're preparing a new workbook, in both of these cases, you will have to go File and then Save As. And now coming to Browse and select the location and the name from which you want to save it. And while saving it, you may want to change its format, like you may want to change it from macro embedded workbook, or make it XML data, or convert it to PDF, or using CSV format. So many of these things that we may learn later, not in our Excel basic series, but when coming to we will be coming to advanced level. But most of the time you will be saving it as Excel workbook, which extension is .xlsx. So now coming back and escape. So yes, people, this is how we use save and save as feature in our Excel, and using also undo button or redo button in our Excel. So any question, any query you have, please put it in our comment box. We will try to resolve it. Uh, we will most probably resolve it. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.